Fulani Heřdsmán don't go for the place where they call Afipo. No be small thing no happen for that side though. They say they buy many people for inside that area. But as e be like this now, they say Simon Ekpa don come outside, come carry the matter o. He say that any Fulani wey carry cow for BiafraLand, especially for Afipo, the place where this thing happen, he say that cow go become suya. No be small thing o. He say the cow go be krishi abi na krishi that they call am. He say that any cow wey pass that side, e don become general meat o for inside BiafraLand as e be like this now. My wonderful people, as we dey talk that one o, they say that the unknown government don go buy carry many people, even carry Nigerian Navy join for inside Ekpa Ibom as we dey talk right now. They say for Plateau State o, they say that the Boko Haram and their brothers wey be Heřdsmán and the Herders and others don go buy Nigeria army for inside that area. We dey wait since so to hear when Nigeria army dey go there go do wuja go wipe them out o, we never see. But if na BiafraLand, they go say go there finish them. My people, do not forget say it's still there for Balabas gist. Please share this video wey I go play you right now and make sure say you dey follow up. Let us go and look into wetin happen for Afipo wey follow the quick notice wey Simon Ekpa give those people for inside that area. Na Fulani o, he say that he no wan see any of them wey carry cow dey waka for inside Afipo or for BiafraLand again. And this is the reaction of people wey dey for street concerning this wey happen. And play the video make you watch before we come back and continue.
According to President Simon Ekpa, over 10,000 herders have invited Afipo in a Bonny set, leaving scores of persons and their houses burned down and killed. And in the light of this, Simon Ekpa has given ultimatum that no cow shall be found within the Biafran territory, precisely Afipo and the Varons. What a deadly assault. Your take on this?
My take on this is that the Fulanis are doing, Fulani Heřdsmán are doing what they know to do best. That's what they're doing, is the best thing they know to do. They are best in that job. But let me tell you, what you know to do best may one day turn against you in the best way that you will not expect it to be. You understand? So, killing in Afipo is a laid-down foundation which the former governor of Ebonyi State have led, and is a sign or beginning of livestock upgrading, which the Ministry of Livestock Upgrading will be carried out in future. What they are doing in Afipo now is to show the type of upgrading of livestock the Heřdsmán will do if this Ministry of Livestock Upgrading fully commence work. This is why Simon Ekpa and Biafra said no, that ministry will never exist in Biafra. And really, it will never exist in Biafra. Because if, as other part of the world, Americans are coming up for the final exist of Biafra, any law that make in Nigeria now will not affect Biafra. Now, and some people have given marching order that the Fulani should stop, Heřdsmán should stop what they are doing in Afipo.
Now, giving marching order, is it that just like the same thing that happened in the Nigerian military, that the Chief of Defense Staff said the military are not everywhere? Does the same thing apply to the Biafran Defense Force and the Biafran Liberation Army? If they are on ground, why should the Fulani invade in the first place? But they told us they are defending Biafran territory. So where were they? Where were the Biafran Defense Force and the Biafran Liberation Army? Is it that they are not magicians?
Now, Biafran Defense Force is just like, okay, let me give you an example. When two nations are fighting conventional war, the defense side that are defending themselves will only focus on the front line where the aggressors are coming from. But by the time aggressors will open another front, the defense force may not know that the aggressors force are planning to open another front line.
Is it not a sign of weakness then?
I'm coming. So that's what I'm trying to explain to you. It's not a sign of weakness. Until when the aggressors start operating in their new front line, then the defense force will realize that these people are coming from this place. And the defense force will go there and match them one on one. Let us wait and see what will happen in Afiko.
No. They will realize when the damage has been done. So what exactly is the Biafran Liberation Army doing and the Biafran Liberation Force? Or there are very few and could not cover the Biafran territory? Because this is a needless massacre.
Now,
This is not the first, it's not the second time.
listen, it's not a weakness onto Biafran Defense Force. But you see one thing, these salesmen are not coming with a uniform. They are not coming in the daytime.
But they are armed to the teeth.
They are armed to the teeth.
Whether in the night is immaterial.
They are coming. They are armed to the teeth. But that their arm is when you see somebody carry arms in the hand, that you know that this person is out for something. But when they carry the arms in a hidden place, you don't know. It was when the arms come up that you know that this person carry arms. Now they will pretend, you know, they are believing there. Not that they just march in. They have been staying there. And you know, Biafrans, they are not bloodthirsty men or men who hate their fellow human being. At first, in BiafraLand, you don't commit any crime, don't commit any mayhem, they cannot come and start killing you, burning you. But when you commit that crime, they will know that you are a criminal, they come after you.
Must you wait for the crime to be committed, people's life to be lost? You said you have a government, Biafra Republic government in exile, and the de facto government in the whole land. So why can't they protect lives? Why should the Fulani invaders, of course, continue to waste lives, kill children, rape our mothers and sisters, and of course, burn down our houses, desecrate our homeland and our farmland, and you are now waiting to be reactive when they have done the damage, and unfortunately, they flee to their safe havens.
Now, can you accuse somebody that they commit a crime without the facts? Can you, moderator, accuse somebody that they committed a crime without the facts?
These are, no, you can't, but these are within the Biafran territory. Why not conduct search, stop and search,
I'm coming.
especially those red line zones?
I'm coming. Now,
They didn't fall from heaven before they attacked. They infiltrated through the porous borders that was not manned or guarded by the Biafran Defense Force.
I'm telling you that these people have been in that place even before Biafra Defense Force was created. You know that area, that Afiko, where former governor of Ebonyi State have mapped the land for them to stay. Islamic Development Territory was in that place. All money grant they collected from Islamic Development Bank was infected that place. They are giving them that place to stay. And since all these days, they haven't carried out any stupid barbarian act like this. They stay there quietly. And Biafra sees them as non-violence aliens in BiafraLand. Can you go and start killing a person who have not attacked you? But because of this livestock upgrade ministry they are creating, they have made them to come up now and say, we have power now. And remember, you say, why can't Biafra mark stop and search?
Or conduct, where is the intelligence bureau? Are they sleeping? That Biafran's life should be lost to a mere Fulani invaders, militias.
I'm coming. You yourself, moderator, are outside BiafraLand now. You are not part of defense force. Neither are you part of um, uh, um, um, uh, 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 cabinet of government of Biafra in exile. You are just saying as a let me put it as a journalist who can speak with mouth, they cannot act with hand.
No, the Prime Minister of Biafra Republic government in exile said his priority and the priority of the Biafra Republic government in exile is to protect the life and property of Biafrans. So could it be said that he is somehow failing in that primary responsibility of any responsible government?
If Prime Minister is failing to defend the Prime Minister and government of Biafra in exile are failing to defend the Biafrans, you yourself will not have been here. You yourself, your head could have been found.
No, I'm not saying he's failing, but based on the essence of government, the people are the essence of government. So if the people are wasted, and this has been the current decimal occurrence, those Enugu axes are bordering, of course, communities. So I think more surveillance should be given to those regions rather than at the end of the day, people's lives will be lost and properties destroyed. And we'll be hearing all these stories and stories, just like the Nigerian government said that they can't protect anyone. They are not magicians, they are not everywhere. So will it be the same story, of course, for the Biafra Republic government in exile?
Now, I want to clear issue before. You said, why can't they do stop and search? Then, if they want to do stop and search, how can they do stop and search without mounting roadblock? So you want them to be like Nigerian army who are mounting roadblock in BiafraLand, terrorizing people, putting fear into people? No, BiafraLand is a land of freedom. But when you abuse the freedom, as the Fulani Heřdsmán have abused the freedom, then the government, the security agent of Biafra will come against you. Now, that's what is happening that place now. I'm coming. As you said, that they're supposed to man the border. You could have put it in the way of suggestion, not in the way of your condemning Biafran government that they're not doing anything.
No, I'm not condemning. This is a question I'm asking, of course, to prove facts and get the right facts, and of course, possibly could serve as a way of cross-examination for the Biafran Republic government in exile to re-examine their positions. I think that should have been the sense of proactiveness rather than being reactive. So you can't wait until people are being killed before you begin to act. So there should be intelligence and surveillance should be prioritized.
Now, I will give you example why what happened. Now, can Biafra surveillance, Biafran secret agent, Biafran intelligence agent, Biafran defense force or armed forces be more than Israeli own, current Israeli own in Middle East? Can it be more than Israelis own? Can someone Ekpa, our prime minister, be more intelligent than Netanyahu of Israel?
Of course, the suit is still the same head. There's nothing different about that.
The position and the Israelis security, governments, and the defense, they are more solid. They are more perfect. They have taken ground more than Biafra own. But still see how Hamas penetrate into Israel on December, I think October 7, and cause mayhem against Israel. Where are the Moshood of Israel that the whole world are fearing? But still Hamas penetrate. Sometimes things happen like this so that your enemy will be hold full charge. You hold full charge against your enemy. Since that time, Hamas did that thing they did in Israel. Where is Hamas now? Where is Gaza now? Where is Palestinian now? Likewise, the step Israel took, we, their brothers, we took the same step as they took. We take the same step now as they took. As the Hamas, of Nigeria have penetrated into Biafran territory, Afiko, and to cause mayhem there. So we Biafra Defense Force now rise up as Israel Defense Force rise up against Hamas. So we Biafran Defense Force rise up against this Hamas in Nigeria, known as Fulani Heřdsmán. And now our own Prime Minister, Biafran Prime Minister, will rise up as Netanyahu, the Prime Minister of Israel, to issue order to go after them. Now it will happen. And let us see the upper hand Israel hold now against Hamas, whether Biafran will hold it against this Hamas in Nigeria called Fulani Heřdsmán.
Well, thank you so much. It's been an interesting moment, honestly. We do hope that every life within the front Biafran, of course, should be prioritized, and the life of everyone matters most. And of course, internal vigilance is the price for freedom. Thank you once again, Mazio Kokondem, and everyone listening here. I remain Chigos Ndebo, the host anchor, bringing live and direct and unbiased reportage of events. You can as well hit the like button, subscribe, and of course turn on the notification buttons to get our videos once it's been uploaded. Thank you once again for watching, and you could also support us via the super thanks. Thank you once again. It's been a very exciting and fantastic weekend to you all. Thank you once again. Your parting words.
I thank you, my host, Chigozie Ndibo. And my parting words is this, that our Prime Minister Simon Ekpa, Biafra government in exile, our men on the ground, and the entire Biafran citizens and indigenes should make sure that this Hamas that penetrated BiafraLand, known as Heřdsmán, should be fetched out and dealt with them according to the law of Biafra. That's my parting word. And to tell Nigeria also, we are not fighting Nigeria as Israel is not fighting against Palestine, but fighting against Hamas. That our people, Biafrans, will rise up against those Hamas, not Nigeria, against those Hamas, call themselves Fulani Heřdsmán in BiafraLand.
Thank you once again.
I am Mr. Paraderi Okokondem in this Republic of Biafra. Live Amasi Namdekalo and this Aturobi government of Biafra. Long live Republic of Biafra. Long live Masi Simon Ekpa. Long live Masi Namdekalo, our Onyendu. Long live America and Donald Trump. God bless America, bless Donald Trump. God continue to upholding America and let them continue to be doing good work they are doing in the world. Donald Trump win the election in this 2024 November in Jesus' name. Long live Netanyahu and Israel. God bless Netanyahu, bless Israel. Netanyahu and Israel win the war against all your enemies in Jesus' name. Long live Odua Republic.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you have listened to and watch that video, here wetin this our brother talk regarding wetin dey happen for inside that area. Please do not forget to drop your own thought and your own opinion for inside comment section. Let us jump or go talk small about the things wey dey happen for inside Nigeria. If you watch as e be now, everywhere don dey red, and the federal government are playing deaf ear of wetin dey happen. But however, we still dey look. Abeg, may you drop your own opinion in comment section and let us talk about this video over there.